Hello! With this video, we would like to explain the process of migrating from Hornetdrive to TeamDrive. There are two processes involved in migrating from Hornetdrive to TeamDrive. On the one hand, the local and technical conversion from the Hornetdrive app to the TeamDrive app, and on the other hand, the commercial conversion. Let's start with the local switch to the TeamDrive app. First, exit the Hornetdrive application. It is not enough to close the Hornetdrive window with the X symbol, as the application remains open in the background. With a right mouse click on the symbol on the taskbar or on the tray icon, you can exit the program completely. Then visit our website teamdrive.com and navigate to our download section in the upper right hand area. There you can find then the download for the TeamDrive app for your operating system with just one click. If you downloaded TeamDrive, install the software. In most cases, you can easily click through the installation process and keep the default settings. Now start TeamDrive. When it starts, TeamDrive will immediately recognize that you have installed Hornetdrive and will offer you the migration directly. Be sure to continue with the migration at this point. With the migration, your current data remains in the same place where it was before, usually stored on the Windows PC under Documents/Drives. You can continue your work as usual after the migration. These former drives are now displayed as TeamDrive spaces in the TeamDrive app. In terms of their function, spaces and drives behave more or less in the same way. Now, when you create new spaces, these spaces will be saved to a new default path and thus reside in a different location in your file system under your user/spaces. You can change the default path at any time under the settings menu in TeamDrive. You can still exchange documents and work together with existing Hornetdrive members in your existing drives as before. However, after a migration to TeamDrive, you can no longer invite Hornetdrive users to newly created spaces from TeamDrive. Thus, only TeamDrive users can join TeamDrive spaces. TeamDrive also has an unlimited number of free guest licenses. However, these are limited to the use of one space or drive. All of the extended and new TeamDrive functions are available to guest users for this purpose. Users who migrate from Hornetdrive to TeamDrive will need a paid license from TeamDrive as soon as they want to use more than one drive or multiple spaces. If you would like to migrate a large number of guest users to TeamDrive, please contact us and ask for a migration offer. This brings us to the commercial process of the migration. So that everything runs smoothly, we need a short email from you with your migration request to info@teamdrive.com, in which you tell us 4 things. First, the number of users you want to migrate with your account, and second, the size of the cloud storage you want to use with TeamDrive. Third, please also tell us the billing address and email from the billing. And fourth, as the last point, please send us a corresponding list of the email addresses of the users you want to migrate. If you have sent us this email, we will set up an account for you and assign you your licenses and members. This can be changed and supplemented at any time later. You will also receive the access data for the administration console with your invoice. Until this is done, you can simply use TeamDrive with the usual Hornetdrive services. However, the additional TeamDrive functions are still deactivated until the commercial changeover. As a last note, it should be said that the order of whether technical migration or commercial conversion is irrelevant. You can carry out the local technical conversion independently and safely, independently of a response to your email to us. No data is lost and you can always continue working. And with this, we warmly welcome you to TeamDrive and wish you continued success in your work.